All right, here's the ML320/350 heater core. This is what you're used to looking at. You know, if you've removed your glove box bottom and then you see your air filter, and all these videos are like, oh, remove your top passenger side airbag and you can get at things. Well, sorry. I don't know what that particular fix involved, but when I looked up no heat on the driver's side, no defrost on the driver's side, that's where they kept going, and that is not correct. So if you had your dash off, this would be what you're looking at from the top. You've already gone through hours of hell to get to this point. And then here's your flap. This is the driver's side defrost, passenger side defrost. This is only part of the problem. So the real issue is there heat getting to your floor and to your chest? If there is, then the problem is this. If there's no heat getting to the floor, to your chest, or to the windshield, which mine was, it was just driver's side, no heat at all on anything or very little heat, well then the problem is underneath this. And it goes deep down inside. So I will show you how to fix that, or at least get at it, without removing your dash. You would remove the lower panel on the driver's side to get at your actuators. You have one here, and then this one here. This one here is covered kind of like by a post, but that doesn't matter. If you had, let me see if I can find my screwdriver. You see these pieces here you've seen many times. So if you get, there's only 2 screws, and if you were to take these 2 screws off using a long screwdriver, I'll show you how simple it is to get in here and see if you're replacing the right actuator motor. All you do, this is even in the car, you just pull it forward a bit and it'll come off. And there is the flap on mine that was causing the problem. That linkage in there, which now I can access with my finger if I wanted to. This is the actuator that you would need to replace if your linkages are all good. Again, this can be done through the driver's side. You don't need to remove your dash. This is the one that you need. It's just literally 3 screws, like all of these things. Okay, so let's go over it. Heat on the driver's side, but no defrost, then it is, I'll show you, then it is this guy. And the actuator's in the back. And you'd be going, oh my God, how do I get that out? 2 screws, because the windshield and the bulkhead's right here. 2 screws, plus a couple screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's 6 screws altogether. And you'd lift it up. And then you'd be able to access the motor. So this is the driver's side heat. Passenger side heat on this one that I bought off eBay is broken, but now you can see how that works, right? So again, if you have heat everywhere else but nothing to the defrost, driver's side is this one here. Take the dash off. It's horrible. There's no other way to do it, but you can get this off and actuate and get that actuator, right? So on my car, they replaced it twice, and it still didn't work. And the reason why it didn't work, so they put the dash on and off twice. The reason why it didn't work is because the linkage inside here was gone. So they said it was $5,000 to replace this whole unit. And that's the only way to do it. So I bought this off of eBay. So that way I could actually see inside here. So I'm going to pause and put on another video so I can show you some more with the camera on and a light.